Good evening, children.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good
Yeah,
evening.
Nandana. Yeah, good evening. Good evening, Nandana. Good evening, Swati. Good evening, Bhavishya. Yes, I think Nandana wanted to say something.
Ma'am, due to my quarterly exam, I can't able to come from tomorrow, ma'am.
Okay, but do you watch the videos when you miss classes? Do you find time to watch the videos? Hello.
Yes, ma'am. After quarterly, we have leave, ma'am, so that on that time I'll watch.
Okay, fine. All right. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. All right, children. So see here. Uh, if a plus b is equal to 25 and a square plus b square is equal to 225, then find AB. Then find AB. So see, now what is given? What is given? A plus b is equal to 25 is given to us. Let's square this here. A plus b is equal to 25 is given to us. Let's square it on both the sides. Squaring on both the sides. So a plus b the whole square is equal to 25 square. Now see, supposing you have a is equal to 10. Then you can square on both the sides and say a square is equal to 10 square or a square is equal to 100. So similarly here we have an equation a plus b is equal to 25. So you can do the same action on both the sides. It's an equation. You can do the same action on both the sides. So you're raising both the sides to the power 2. You're raising both the sides to the power 2. Okay, you can do that. The equation is not disturbed. When you do that, the equation is not disturbed. So a plus b the whole square is equal to 25 square. Now, what is a plus b the whole square? We know that a plus b the whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to 625. Yes or no, children? What is a plus b the whole square? It's a square plus b square plus 2ab. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Is equal to 25 square is 625. Now we are given the value of a square plus b square in the question. What is a square plus b square? 225. So instead of a square plus b square, 225. So 225 plus 2ab is equal to 625. 2ab is equal to 625 minus 225. 2ab is equal to 400. ab is equal to 400 by 2. 2 will come for division to the other side. Or AB is equal to 200. So we found the value of AB. AB is equal to 200. So this is one way of working. The other method is the same. The presentation is different. This is also the same thing. But the way it is presented is different. So here in this method, what we do is we have an equation. You should not take this equation. You must take this equation. A plus B is equal to 25. You must take this one. There are two equations given to us. A plus B is equal to 25 and A square plus B square is equal to 225. Two equations are given. Don't take this one. Take this one and square on both the sides. Now, you know that all the information is given for you to be used while working the answer. So we make use of this one. We square both the sides. Then what about this information? Where is this one used? See, to substitute here, a square plus b square is equal to 25. Normally, all the information given in the question will be used somewhere or the other. Very rarely there is an information in the question which is not needed. Very rarely. But normally, at least in questions like this, all the information in the question will be used in the answer somewhere or the other. So like this, we have made use of both the information. We started with this and squared it on both the sides. And then when we got a squared plus b squared, we replaced that with 225. So like that, we found AB. The other way is you can write the formula. What is the formula? A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. You can write the formula because now you will ask me, how do I know there are so we have 4 formulae. How do we know that we have to write this particular thing? That is because you have a plus b here and a square plus b square here. You have a plus b here, right? A plus b here. So a plus b the whole square is equal to a related the formula which is linked to the information given in the question. You should write that formula or a suitable formula which can be linked with the information given in the question. So this is the most appropriate one. Now substitute the values in the appropriate places. What is a plus b? A plus b is 25. So a plus b is 25. Then what is a square plus b square? 225. A square plus b square is 225 plus 2ab. So you solve this. You solve this and you can find the value of ab. Understood both the methods, children?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, children. Please take down. Quickly take down.
Ma'am, I'm having doubt in second step, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. What is your question?
Ma'am, for second one, a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab you have right now. But we should use like that, ma'am.
No, what's your question now? A plus b the whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Yeah. Then
Ma'am, for that, we should do that like 25. Ma'am, for that, a plus b whole square, how will it come, ma'am?
okay. Now see here. This information is given a plus b is equal to 25. First write that information. Now square this on both the sides. When you square on both the sides, what do you get? A plus b the whole square is equal to 25 square. You understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry. Okay. Now, see, now when you work, how do you continue? You should write what this one is equal to below is equal to what this one is equal to below. Now, so in the next step, what is this equal to? What is a square, a plus b the whole square? What is a plus b the whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So instead of a plus b the whole square, we are writing a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to 25 square is 625. Is this understood?
Yes, ma'am.
See, maybe you, I don't know if this is your question, why you're not writing a square plus 2ab plus b square. Is that your question?
Yes, ma'am.
You can write, but the thing is, since we know the value of a square plus b square, we are writing it. See, a square plus 2ab plus b square is the same as a square plus b square plus 2ab. It's the same. We're just rearranging the terms. Like 1 plus 2 plus 3 is the same as 1 plus 3 plus 2. So you can change the order. And why we write in this order is because we know the value of a square plus b square. So we write it together. So this is the formula is equal to 625. Now the value of a square plus b square is given to be 225. So instead of this one, write 225 plus 2ab is equal to 625. Yes, Bhavishya, you can ask me if you still don't understand.
Ma'am, I have understood, ma'am.
Okay, yeah. Please write down, children. Last class, Nandana had texted me that she'll not be able to attend. What about Swati?
Ma'am, I have texted you that I will not be able to attend, ma'am.
Oh, then Nandana didn't text, is it? Okay, Nandana, did you attend the last class? Because last class it was only me and Bhavishya.
No, ma'am.
Oh, okay, okay. I think I didn't hear anything from you. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay, sorry, sorry. So Swati had texted. I remember one of you had texted. Fine, fine. So Nandana, yes, what was your reason?
Ma'am, I told that I had fever, so I was unable to attend, ma'am.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry. You're okay now?
Yes, ma'am, I'm okay.
Good, good. Okay, take care.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Done, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. So find the value of, whatever expression is given here. All right. So now this, we have to make use of an identity to simplify this or to find the value of this expression. All right. You should not be actually finding the products like this. It is not like this. 6.25 into 6.25, getting the product, and then 1.75 into 1.75, getting the product, and then subtracting the two, and then dividing by 4.5. It's not like that. We have to go through an identity. All right. So now 6.25, I'll just work it roughly here. I'll show you the answer in the next slide, which is in the next slide. So 6.25 into 6.25 can be written as 6.25 the whole square. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. 1.75 into 1.75 is 1.75 the whole square, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Divided by 4.5. Now the numerator is of the form a square minus b square. What is a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. So what is a plus b? Yes, class. Swati, Nandana, Bhavishya. Bhavishya is active always. Swati and Nandana.
Ma'am, 6.25 plus 1.75.
Yeah, a plus b is this one. And what is a minus b into a minus b?
6.25 minus 1.75, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Yeah, very good. Divided by 4.5. What is 6.25 plus 1.75? Quickly.
7, ma'am.
No. 6 plus 1 is 7.
8. 8, ma'am.
Yeah, 0.25 and 0.75. 8. 8 into what is 6.25 minus 1.75?
8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ma'am, 4.5.
4.5. Very good. Yeah, 4.5 divided by 4.5. Correct? So these two numbers get cancelled and the answer is 8. See, we got it so quickly using the identity. So these in such places identities are used. So you can say that these are the applications. Identities are widely used to solve, expressions, numerical expressions, which are otherwise very time consuming. Even if you actually do the multiplication, subtract and divide, you should get the same answer. Whichever method you use, the answer is going to be 8. But the thing is about the time taken to arrive at the answer. Using this method, the identity, you can work it still faster. Now that you know it, you can, I think, finish it in 30 seconds. But you cannot multiply 6.25 into 6.25, 1.75 into 1.75. The numbers can be larger also. It can be still larger. It can be a 5-6 digit number also. So you cannot finish the calculation in 30 seconds. But when you use the identity, you can complete it faster. So here, so in places like this, identities are applied. Somebody's mic is enabled. Please disable your mic. Yes, children, good. So in the same way, the next one. Quickly tell me, what is 198 into 198? Quickly.
198 square, ma'am.
Square. 102 into 102.
198 minus 102 whole square.
Divided by?
96, ma'am.
96. What is a square minus b square?
198 plus 198 plus 102. 198 minus 102 into 1. Minus 198 minus 102, ma'am.
Very good, children. What is this plus this? 198 plus 2 is 200. 200 plus 100 is 300. Into 100 and 100 gone. 98 minus 2, 96. Because this is 198, this is 102. So 100 minus 100, 0 gone. So 98 minus 2, 96. By 96. So see here, we got it so quickly. 96 is the answer. Yes, children, I hope all of you understood. Please take down the answer. Any doubt? Please ask me.
Done, mom.
And children?
Done, mom.
Okay. Nandana and Swati?
Done, mom.
Done, ma'am.
All the three of you finished dinner?
Yes, ma'am.
Nandana finished. What about Bhavishya and Swati?
Yes, mom. Completed.
What about Swati?
No, mom. I have not had it.
Why, darling? What time do you normally have dinner?
Ma'am, it varies, ma'am. It varies when my mother cooks.
Okay, now how comfortable with this will this time be for all of you? 8:15 to 9:45. What time you people go to bed? Are you all, do you all go to bed early and wake up early, or what time do you all normally go to bed? Nandana?
Ma'am, 10, 11.
Okay, you, Bhavishya?
Ma'am, 10:30 to 11 like that, ma'am.
Swati?
I'm 11 or 11:30.
Okay, so depending on the load of work you have from school, the school depending on the school homework. If you have a lot of homework to complete, yeah, your bedtime is delayed. All right. Now, Swati, is it possible that from the next sessions you can finish your dinner before you take up the class?
Yes, ma'am. I'll say my mom to cook early.
So can we, I shouldn't be forcing you all. Can we go ahead with the same timing in future, 8:15 to 9:45?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. All right, but I'll be, it'll be comfortable if you all finish your dinner, because I don't want you all to have dinner after the class so late, after 9:45. Okay, so please, make me feel comfortable teaching you by finishing your dinner before you, take up the class. All right, thank you, children. Fine, let's continue. Yeah. Now show that 4pq plus 3q the whole square minus 4pq minus 3q the whole square is equal to 48p square q square. Sorry, 48p square. All right, now help me do this, children. Now let's work in, I'll explain this. I'll work this for you in two different ways, okay? This is the first method. I'll just take an extra slide, 1 minute. Ouch. Yeah, what was that? 4pq plus 3q. All right, children. We'll have to show that. ST meaning show that. All right. This expression is equal to 48pq square. So this is method 1, children. All right. Method 1. Step 1. In method 1, step 1. Now tell me what is 4pq plus 3q the whole square. How do you expand this? This is like a plus b the whole square. A plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Yes or no, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now what will come in the first bracket?
Yes,
What is a?
2pq, ma'am.
4
No. No.
2
Oh
PQ.
God.
2pq.
No. 1 minute. No. How 2pq? See here, children. Read this. Good, you got the doubt. See here, children. How do you read this? See here. This is a plus b the whole square. So what is a?
4 PQ, ma'am.
4pq.
Yeah. How do you read this? See here, you're reading this one as a plus this is b the whole square. So this is a, this is b. Now that one is when you have, oh my God, shit. Oh, what is it, children? 4pq, show that. 4pq plus 3q, right?
Plus
Yes, ma'am.
the whole square,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, 4pq minus 3q, the whole square is equal to 48pq square. Yeah. So step 1, I said 4pq. This is a plus b, the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So what is a?
4pq, ma'am.
4
What is
PQ,
b?
ma'am.
What is b?
3q, ma'am.
3
Then, yeah, what is 2ab? 2 into?
4 PQ into 3Q, ma'am.
3p.
Yeah. Now this is equal to, what is it? What is 4pq into 4pq?
16pq, ma'am.
16p square q square. 4pq into 4pq. Now you must tell yourself that we cannot go wrong in these places. We are too old to go wrong in these places. Okay, so you cannot go wrong in these places. Where 4pq the whole square means 4pq into 4pq. What is 4 into 4? 16. P into P, P square. Q into Q, Q square. 4, 16 P square, Q square. Tell yourself that I should not go wrong in such things in future. Now, what is this? Plus, what's the product of the next bracket?
Ma'am, 24 PQ square.
24 PQ square. Correct. Plus?
Plus 9Q square.
9 square Q square, ma'am.
9Q square.
Why Swati 9 square?
9Q square.
I mean, 9 Q square, ma'am.
9Q square. 3Q into 3Q. 3Q the whole square means 3Q into 3Q. 3 3s are 9. Q into Q, Q square. This is the answer for the first part of the expression in the LHS. Now step 2. Step 2. 4PQ minus 3Q the whole square. What will you get? A square. This is A minus B the whole square. A minus B the whole square is A square minus 2AB plus B square. So what is it, children?
Ma'am, I'm having a doubt.
4P.
Yes, what's your doubt?
Ma'am, why are we not distributing the minus sign to the 4PQ minus 3Q, ma'am?
Why are we not distributing this minus sign to which terms?
4PQ and minus 3Q, ma'am.
Oh, if you have like 5 minus 3 the whole square, where will you distribute minus?
Ma'am, we are having minus sign before 4PQ, ma'am.
Not before 4PQ. After that, no? This is one term. 4PQ is one term. 3Q is the other term. And there is a minus in the middle. There is no need for the distributive property, no? See, it's not like, yeah. Oh, this one. Oh, you're talking about this minus. Oh, sometimes he, Yes. Your question is very meaningful. You're talking about this minus, right?
Yes, ma'am. The minus.
No. Yeah. That we'll be distributing. That we will distribute. Yeah. Sorry. That we'll be distributing. I'm not taking the minus sign at all now. I'm not taking.
Yes,
I'm just
ma'am.
taking this express. Yeah. You're right, Swati.
I
Maybe
have
when
a
I
doubt,
finish.
sir.
Class, can we just finish this answer and then I'll take up your questions?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now just tell me what in the first bracket.
Ma'am,
4PQ, ma'am.
Okay, last bracket.
3Q, ma'am. 3Q.
And then in the middle, 2 into
2 into 4PQ into 3Q.
Okay, now finally, what is 4PQ the whole square?
16 square. Q square.
Who is that PQ square? 16
square Q square.
P square Q square.
P square Q square.
Minus 24 P square, ma'am.
PQ square plus
9Q square, ma'am.
So this is step 2. Now in step 3, what is step 3? What is step 3? Step 1 minus step 2. See, we are distributing now. Step 3 is step 1 minus step 2. So see here, what is the answer we got in step 1? What's the answer we got in step 1? 16 P square Q square plus 24 PQ square plus 9Q square minus, what's the answer in step 2? 16 P square Q square. Yeah.
Minus 24 PQ square plus 9Q square, ma'am.
Yes, Swati. Now see, we'll be distributing. We have written the answer we got in step 1. And why minus? Because see, it's minus here. This answer minus this answer. Okay. So now open the bracket. We are distributing now. We are just about to distribute now. 24PQ squared plus 9Q square minus 16P square Q square plus 24PQ square minus 9Q square. Multiply that minus sign with every term inside the bracket. As Swati said, we are distributing the minus sign with all the terms in the bracket. Now, plus 16P square Q square minus 16P square Q square cancels. plus 9q square minus 9q square cancels. And what is 24pq square plus 24pq square?
48 PQ
48
square.
PQ square.
48 PQ square. Now, what have we done? We worked the left-hand side. Whenever it is showed that, that means you should take up the LHS, work that, and your answer should be the RHS. Or maybe you have to take the RHS, work that, and the answer which you get should be the LHS. That's how you show that a particular expression is true. Show that meaning, show that this expression is true. Show that meaning, show that this expression is true. So how do you show that it's true? We take up the left-hand side. Because the left-hand side can be simplified. What will you do with the right-hand side? 48 PQ square. What can you do with that? What can you do with 48 PQ square? Nothing. It's already simplified. But the left-hand side is not simplified. You can do some simplification there. So we take up the left-hand side and we work that, and you should get 48 PQ square as the answer. That means you have shown that this equation is true. So we work it in steps like this. Step 1, step 2, and step 3 will be the first answer minus the second answer. Am I clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Yeah, please write down. I'll tell you another method after this. Please write down, children.
Completed, ma'am.
Yeah. All of you?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, fine. Let me do.
Done, ma'am.
Very good.
Done, ma'am.
All right. Any questions, children?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so what we have to do is when we have to show that some expression is equal to some other expression. So like here we have to show that 4pq plus 3q the whole square minus 4pq minus 3q the whole square. We'll have to show that this one is equal to 48pq square. So take up the LHS, and the LHS itself you can take it in parts. So we worked it in step 1 and step 2. And then step 1 minus step 2 is the final answer. And we got 48 PQ square, which is the RHS. So hence proved. Now see the other method. We can use the identity A square minus B square. Okay, you can use the identity A square minus B square. How and why? Because see here, we'll have to show that this one square minus this one square is equal to 48 PQ square. So you can treat this full thing as A square minus this full thing is B square. So the LHS entirely is of the form A, this is A square minus B square. Yes or no, children? What is A square minus B square? A plus B
A plus B into A minus B, ma'am.
into A minus B. Oh, I have not done that method here. I've done the earlier method. I thought, okay, fine, I'll work it for you. No. I thought I've done it like this here. No, I have not. You can also work it like this, children. See, we had worked it in steps like this, right? In parts. You can also work it together like this. Please take down this working also. This one is similar to the earlier one. The same thing, in fact. See, the presentation is different. So I've taken the LHS completely. See here, LHS completely I've taken. Then here I've written, this is A plus B the whole square. A square, 2AB, B square. Then this minus sign, minus. Then A minus B the whole square is A square minus 2AB plus B square. Understand that, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
is A, yeah. This is A plus B the whole square. So A square 2AB B square. This is A minus B the whole square. So A square minus 2AB plus B square. And then this minus sign in the middle, minus. So do that expanding and all. This is the answer we got in step 1. This is the answer we got in step 2. Then in step 3, we subtracted both. So this is what you get. And see here, this and this cancels. And this is 48 PQ square, which is the RHS. You can also work it like this. Without using step 1, step 2, step 3, you can also do it like this. Yeah, please make a note of this, children. This is not a different method. It's the same thing like the earlier one, presented in a different way. Please write. Done, children?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah. Correct. So we'll do the other method now.
Ma'am, can you show me the slide 1 minute?
Yeah.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah. Now I'm treating this whole thing as A and this whole thing as B. So the expression is of the form A square minus B square. And we know that A square minus B square is A plus B into A minus B. Okay. Now, so now what will be A plus B? The identity is this, children. A square minus B square is A plus B into A minus B. So what is A here? A is 4PQ plus 3Q because A square is there. So what is A? 4PQ plus 3Q. And what is B? 4PQ minus 3Q. Is this clear to all of you? A and B, the expressions for A and B?
Yes, ma'am.
Swati and Nandana?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So now tell me, children, what is A square minus B square? A plus B. A plus B. What is A plus B? See here. You can also use brackets like this, before you write. See here, open a square bracket. A plus B. Close the bracket. Into A minus B. You can put empty brackets like this. See here, children. See here. A plus B into A minus B. Is this understood, all of you? The empty brackets?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Because why so much of space for A? Because it's an expression. A itself is 4PQ plus 3Q. So we need some space. And A itself has two terms. That's why for A, a bracket, B, another bracket. And this A plus B is in a square bracket. Again, A minus B, simple brackets, A minus B. And that entire thing is in a square bracket. So A plus B into A minus B. Now just fill it, children. This is easy to write now. What should we write here?
4PQ plus 3Q, ma'am.
4PQ plus 3Q. Here,
4PQ minus
4PQ
3Q.
minus 3Q, ma'am.
yeah, here also 4PQ plus 3Q minus 4PQ minus 3Q. So like this is the first step. That's all. Now simplify. We've used the formula. We've used the identity. That's all. Now no more looking at the identity. A square minus B square is written as A plus B into A minus B. That's it. Done. Now simplify. So open a simple bracket. 4PQ plus 3Q. Now distribute the plus sign to all the terms inside the bracket. And plus will not change any sign. All the terms in the bracket will come as they are. Apply the plus sign to every term inside the bracket. So they'll all come out as they are. Plus 4PQ minus 3Q. Is this understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Now Yeah, now tell me the next bracket.
4PQ plus 3Q
And minus 4P
4Q
plus
plus 3Q, ma'am.
Very good, children. Very, very good. That's it. Now simplify within the brackets. Anything gets cancelled. Look carefully in the first bracket.
Ma'am, plus 3Q and minus 3Q get cancelled, ma'am.
Very good. In the second bracket.
4PQ and minus
4PQ
4PQ,
and
ma'am.
minus 4PQ gets cancelled.
Very good, children. Very good. Very good. Now simplify the first bracket. Are they like terms?
Yes, ma'am. We
Yes,
get
ma'am.
16PQ.
16. Ma'am, 8PQ, ma'am.
8PQ.
8PQ.
4PQ plus 4PQ. 8PQ. Not 8P square Q square. Remember that. 4PQ plus 4PQ. When you add or subtract, you're only adding or subtracting the numerical coefficients. The letters or the literal factors, nothing we do to them. They come as they are, PQ. Add, subtract is only with the numerical coefficients. 4 plus 4, 8, that's all. PQ, how many ever PQs are there? They'll come down as only one PQ. So 8 PQ, 8 PQ. So 8 PQ in the first bracket. Into the second bracket, 3Q plus 3Q. 6Q. Yeah, 6Q, not 9Q, 6Q. Now it's multiply. It's nothing but 8PQ into 6Q like this. So what's the answer?
And 48PQ
square, ma'am.
48PQ square is equal to the RHS. This is equal to the RHS. Hence proved or hence verified. Hence verified. Please take down this, children. Any method you can do. All the methods you get. Yeah. Any method you can use. Done.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Yeah, please write, children. Done, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, others. Over, children? Completed?
Yes, ma'am, done.
All right, next one. Yeah, I think this you can do it. Subtract this expression, the first expression from the second one. I want you to do it in both the methods, both vertically and horizontally. What do I mean by that? Vertically and horizontally. Horizontally is like this. Write the first expression minus the second expression. Whichever comes first. I don't know which one comes first. So whatever comes first minus whatever comes second. And then apply the minus sign to every term inside the bracket. That is the horizontal method. Vertical method is writing it like this, like 2ab minus 5c, and then some 7ab minus 4c, like this, writing it like this and doing. You understand, children, what I mean?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So this is the vertical method. Vertical is writing the expressions one below the other. We write the like terms one below the other. Horizontal is like this. Yeah, do both the ways. I'll just come back, children. Please work both the ways. Done, children? Is it over, girls? What happened, girls? Are you all there?
I'm doing.
Oh, okay. You want more time. All right. Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Done, children? Is it over? Swati?
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Andana? What's the answer? What is the answer?
Ma'am, p square q minus 7pq square
P square Q minus 7
pq square, ma'am.
PQ square. That's all?
Plus 8
Ma'am,
pq
plus
Plus?
minus 8 pq, ma'am.
So, Bhavisha says minus the
Ma'am, plus, ma'am.
plus. Okay. 8 PQ. Then that's all?
Minus 8
minus
q
18, ma'am.
Minus Q, huh?
18q plus 5 plus 38, ma'am. 5p
Plus
plus
38.
38.
P square Q, correct. Minus 7 PQ square, correct. Plus 8 PQ minus 18Q. Plus 8 PQ plus 5P plus 38. Correct. Very good. Very good. Have you done it like this?
Yes, ma'am.
So whatever is
Ma'am, I
after
also
from
done
that is very good. Yes, Swati and Nandana, very good.
Ma'am,
So whatever
Ma'am, but I haven't done that
Swati
symbol.
and Bhavishya, sorry, Swati and Bhavishya.
Ma'am, I
Yes.
haven't wrote that symbols like that, ma'am.
And then you should. When it is subtract, you must change the signs like this. You must show this. This is very important.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Oh, you directly change the signs, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Some teachers also do that. Yeah, yeah. Okay. If you have learned it like that from your teacher, fine.
Okay,
Fine.
ma'am.
This is the conventional method. Conventional meaning this is what this is the procedure we've been using for a long time. So now, like teachers maybe they write the sign. If it is addition, don't change the signs. If it's subtraction, just change the signs and write. If you're comfortable with that, please continue. Okay. So we write the two expressions one below the other. This one first, because after from, this one first and then this one. And since it's subtract, you'll have to change the signs. If it was addition, we won't do this. If it was addition, we won't do this. Subtraction. So we have to change the signs. And then simplify. This is the answer. Very good. Yes, children, work this one. Length and breadth is given. Find the area. How do you find the area of a rectangle?
L into B, ma'am.
Yeah, so L into B. So multiply. Length is given, breadth is given. Multiply and tell me the area. Yeah, what's the area of the rectangle?
Ma'am, 6x cubed minus 10.
6x cubed minus 10.
Yes, ma'am. 6x cube minus 2.
Okay. So girls, have you done it like this? This into this is 6x cubed, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And this into this is minus 10, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, children. You're wrong. L into B, 3x square minus 2. This is the length into the breadth, 2x plus 5. How do we multiply this? 3x square into the second bracket minus 2 into the second bracket. That is the first term of the first bracket. The first term here should be multiplied with every term in the second bracket. So 3x square should be multiplied with 2x plus 5. Then this minus 2 also should be multiplied with 2x plus 5. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what is this?
6x cubed, ma'am.
6x cubed, ma'am.
Yeah, then
15x square, ma'am.
15x square.
Minus 4x, ma'am. Minus 10, ma'am.
Minus 10.
this is the answer. This is the answer. Write down. Done, children?
Last step.
Okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Yeah. Yeah. Do this, children. Find the volume of a cuboid. Yes, children, let me know if you're finished. Yes, children, is it over? Yes, girls.
Ma'am, 4x square plus 5.
4x square plus 5, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
4x square plus 5, okay. What about Swati and Nandana? What have you got? Right, no, it's not 4x square plus 5.
Ma'am, I'm getting 2x to the power 4 minus 6x square plus 4.
2x to the power 4 minus
6x square, ma'am.
then
Plus 4.
plus 4. Very good.
4, ma'am.
Yes. Can you take a picture of your answer and share it on WhatsApp with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, do
And
it
now?
now. Yeah, now. I'll wait for the picture. Yes, now. Yes, Swati, I just got it. Okay, so she's multiplied. What have you done?
Ma'am, for the first step, what I did was that I just multiply two terms, ma'am, to get the answer and then multiply it with the third term.
But how did you get, it's 2x plus 2, no? But in the next step, you have written 2x plus 1.
Where, ma'am?
The first step, you have written 2x plus 2, no? The middle bracket.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I just separated the 2x plus 2, ma'am. Inside I have written as 2 and x plus 1, ma'am. So 2 into x is 2x and 2
Where is
into
2?
1 is 2.
Where is 2 outside? You have written 2 inside only, no? You have written 2x plus 1. Okay, then.
Ma'am, I think I inserted the bracket wrong.
Okay, you have taken out 2 common. Then what have you done?
Ma'am, and then I wrote x square minus 2 as it is, ma'am. Ma'am, and then multiplied x into x is x square, ma'am. So 2x square, ma'am. Ma'am, and then minus 1.
No, ma, there is no. No. See, now how did you get the right answer? You're actually getting minus 4, it's plus 4. We won't talk about that, but no, it's not like that. See, the procedure is like this, children. Okay, so we know that the volume of a cuboid is L into B into H, correct? L into B into H. So we have to multiply 2 at a time. You cannot multiply all the 3 numbers, meaning all the 3 expressions. See, that's what we always do. When we have 2 into 3 into 11, we'll do, say, 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 11, 66. Everything at the same time we can't multiply. Or maybe we'll do 3 into 11 is 33 and into 2 is 66. Yes or no? In the same way, yeah, in the same way, you can multiply these two first, or you can multiply these two first. Anything you can do. I have multiplied these two first. You can also multiply these two first. Any two first. So I've written this as it is. And I'm multiplying these two. That's why I've just put that in a bracket to indicate that I'm multiplying these two. So how do you multiply? How do you multiply? See, the first term, 2x, into the second bracket, x minus 1, plus 2, the second term, into the second bracket, x minus 1. Then, after that, 2x into x is 2x squared, 2x into minus 1, minus 2x, plus 2 into x, plus 2x, plus 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Now we'll simplify, sorry. We'll simplify the terms in the bracket. So minus 2x plus 2x gets cancelled. 2x squared minus 2. Now, again, the same idea. Multiply these two. How? first term x square into the second bracket 2x square minus 2. Second term minus 2 into the second bracket 2x square minus 2. So multiplying the same way, we get 2x to the power 4 plus 6x square plus 4. Is it understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood or no, children?
Understood, ma'am.
Yeah, please write down. Please write down. Finish writing, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
All right. Others? Swati and Nandana?
Ma'am, now only I said done, ma'am.
Oh, now only you? Bhavishya
Ma'am,
finished?
can you hear?
Yes, ma'am. Completed.
Okay, yes, Swati, you're still writing?
Ma'am, no, ma'am, I said I'm done, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Nandana?
Yes, ma'am.
Done. All right. Yeah, please take a picture of this one, children. You can understand this. I'll ask one of you to explain in the next class. Take a screenshot of this one and complete this in your notebook. Please understand how it is worked, and one of you will explain this to me in the next class. Took a screenshot?
Yes, ma'am, too.
Yeah, and work this one, work this division. You do the division. Now, using division, show that x plus 1 is a factor of 2x squared plus 3x plus 1. Supposing I tell you using division, show that 3 is a factor of 39. Using division, show that 3 is a factor of 39. What will you do? You'll divide 3. 3 and 39. You'll divide 39 by 3. 1's a 3. 0. So since 0 is a remainder, since the remainder is 0, 3 is a factor of 39. If the remainder is not 0, then 3 is not a factor of 39. Because the remainder is 0, 3 is a factor of 39. In the same way, divide 2x squared plus 3x plus 1 by x plus 1. The remainder should be 0. So then it's a factor. All right. So do the division, take a screenshot of the question, complete the division. All right. All right. All right, children. So that's it for today's session. Thank you so much. Good night.
Good night, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Good night.